Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison between VSCO and WebinarGeek. These are two completely different tools, but they have a fun twist. Let's get started. We're looking at VSCO versus WebinarGeek, the weirdest app battle. Now VSCO is for photos while WebinarGeek is for webinars. Which tool actually deserves your time? This hilarious 60-second face-off compares these polar opposites. So wait, why are we comparing a photo app with a webinar tool? Well, maybe because both make you look good, just in very different ways. You see, when it comes to what they are best for, VSCO is best for making latte pics artsy, while WebinarGeek is best for making your sales pitch less cringy. That's right, less cringy. So, both save with dignity. When we look at the feature of what they are of AI magic, VSCO has film-like filters, while WebinarGeek has auto transcribes that helps with your awkward process. That's right. So they have different nightmares. They solve different nightmares for you. Now, when it comes to their key skill, VSCO helps you to find the perfect fade, while WebinarGeek helps you not to say every 3 seconds. So both of them need practice though. And when it comes to their secret power, VSCO makes avocado toast look expensive, while WebinarGeek makes you sound smarter than you really are. So reality check. Fake it till you make it. Let's look at the price. VSCO has a free plan plus paid presets, while WebinarGeek is actually a paid plan, but is tax deductible. So reality check, it depends on your hustle. So VSCO for your Instagram delusions, use it, while WebinarGeek is for your professional illusions. So use both to fake competence like a pro. So which fake reality do you need more? Comment below. Smash like if you scrolled for actual info, and subscribe for more weird app battles. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to comment on which tool you have faked expertise with. Just confess in the comment section.